everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to Costco to get our winter tires installed in the car. So winter tires are very important when there is snow so that your car don't slip. So we ordered our winter tires online. So they were shipped to Costco location only, and today we have an appointment. They have the tires already and they will install it within 1.5 to 2 hours depending on the rush. So this is the tire store at Costco. We just came here and told them that we have the installation, and now they are getting our car ready. So this is the tire installation center at Costco. You can also buy your tires from Canadian Tire, but I found it cheaper at Costco because they also have free installation. Plus with Costco membership you get a lot of benefits, especially the gas price at Costco gas station is very cheap as compared to other gas stations. Also you get a 3% cashback if you have a CIBC MasterCard that you get when you apply for Costco membership. And now they are installing our tires here. Apart from winter tires, you need washer fluid, winter mats, snow brush to clean your car. So these are the basic essentials. So our winter tires are installed now and we bought them for around $1,400, and we got around 4% cashback, 2% cashback on our membership card, and 2% cashback on our CIBC card. So it was a great deal. Now what about our old tires? They packed them nicely in plastic bags and put them on the back seat of our car. So the process was quite smooth, just that we had to wait for around 2 hours. So in this time you can do shopping. Now we will be putting these tires in our lockers. If you don't have enough storage at your home, you can also put your tires in public storage. So our tires are packed and placed safely, and now we will be putting the washer fluid in our car in this small blue box. You will get a sign when you open your bonnet. So this is the windshield wash that we got from Walmart. It works for up to -40 degrees. You can put at least 2 in your car. Just open it and pour it carefully. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, you can please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy and safe winters.